Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina right here, and I'm going to be talking about the intelligent hula hoop, okay? The intelligent hula hoop, all right? So like and share this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm into I'm into fitness, health, and prosperity, guys. And so what this hula hoop does is it tightens the waist and buttocks. It exercises waist fat. It increases leg flexibility, and it creates a beautiful waist and hip. Yes. And so it comes in a box like this, guys. And so it looks like this. And this is how you put it together, okay? And so this right here is the massager. These are the massagers. You're gonna put it, all you gotta do is screw it on right here. Boom. All right, and this is the pedometer, which counts your strides, how many times it goes around on you. Okay, you want to make sure that it's tight so it don't fall off. And this is a weight. All right, this is the weight, and all you want to do is you want to take the bottom here and put it on the tray, just like that. Just that simple. Put on the tray, and then this right here is a little button that slides, and you just line it up and it snaps. To undo it, you just take it apart like this, and you put it on your waist. And also, if you want to make it bigger, you can add this on, and it snaps in the groove, just like I showed you with these. And you have another piece that you can add on to make it bigger. All right, so you can snap it on just like this, guys. It's that simple. If you want one, click the link at the bottom of this video. I will send it right to your doorstep. And remember, guys, it fits so good. It gets rid of the back fat for your curvature, massages your abs for that six pack, and it's gonna snatch that waist. It hugs you right here. So when you're gone, it's gone, all right? So let's get into it. If you want one, click the link at the bottom of this video, and I'll see you on the next one.